Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 4. I've never really owned an iPhone 4, so this is the first time I'm going to be unboxing it. I'm kind of excited. I went 2.5 hours to get this, and I finally got one. Um, they are pretty hard to get hold of. If you want like a good condition one, and one that just ain't been fiddled around with, because a lot of these iPhones, like the iPhone 4 and the iOS 7 and that, can be like fiddled around with. I did put a post on my Twitter as well, but I'm excited to unbox it. Let's get started. Okay, so this is what I got. Unfortunately, I didn't get the box with it. It would have been like good if I did get the box, but unfortunately, I didn't get the box, which isn't a big issue. So starting off with the phone, as you can see, some pretty like good condition, same as my white 4S, but as I mentioned, it's an iPhone 4. Another way to find out if it's an iPhone 4 as well from the iOS, and it's not gonna have the line either, as you can see, and it's got the line on the top. So that's a way to find out it's an iPhone 4. The sides are a little bit like faded, a little bit along here, but I can sort that out. And then just a little bit on the top, but it is in pretty decent condition. The speaker grills are in pretty clean condition. This is over like a 8-year-old phone now. Basically, it's going up as well in age as well. So you will get like wear and tear, and it will get older as well. And there's gonna be like more that have like wear and tear. And then you've got your standard charging like cable, basically what you get on like the iPhone 3GS, like the older devices and that, basically. And then you got your 3-port plug. This is just the standard one. It's just basic, to be honest. Oh, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start it up, but I might have to set it up. So I'll switch it on, show you guys it, and then I'll set it all up. So it was released in 2010, which makes it 8 years old. And let's see how it goes as well. Oh, so it's all set up and it's all running. So I just like done a little like test just to see what it was like. The speed is pretty good, to be honest. The battery life as well, I think it's a little bit more better than iOS 9 because the update, this one doesn't really get that much like problems. It doesn't slow down either. It's got the speed, but that's probably because I ain't got no apps or nothing on it. But it looks good. iOS 7, I just like the wallpaper and that, and I like how they've done like the colour of the music and that. It does look good. It stands out, which I like about it. And then in general, it just like runs good as well. No like problems when it's freezing up or something. You can get old phones and they can like obviously like freeze up, but it depends on the age. So yeah, this is the unboxing. Make sure you guys check me out on Twitter. I upload every day on there, like what I get up to, basically. And make sure you guys check out my videos as well. I really want to hit 500 subscribers, as I mentioned, in like the summer. So make sure you guys smash that subscribe button as well. It would really mean a lot to me. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.